Well, if you told me a year or two ago that I would be one emailing maniac, I'd laugh at you because the only emails I do is like, hey, what are you wearing? Or hey, come on over at 10. Or quit spamming me. But emails, I started getting them right around you've got mail. All right. Are you guys the same when America Online came out and that online internet thing became just the biggest thing in the world besides these electronic Pop Tart shaped things called cell phones? But anyway, here it is 2025, April of 2022. We're almost halfway through 2025, but my God, almost 40 years ago is when I started emailing. And guess what? Emails still work, guys. People open email. You hurry and delete all the junk and the spam stuff. You have a couple that interest you. And then boom, you do it again every single day. I'm deleting the yuck. I have a couple cool emails. And wham, bam, I always find something that gets my attention. And they work. So don't think that you have to do video like this all the time on YouTube or go live on TikTok or just post every day like a madman on social media. If you like to just relax, write a simple email, and I'll help you. I got over 150 I'll send you. And hit a button and let a company every couple seconds organically mail out an email to people seeking opportunities. People that are going, God, I wish someone would send me an email about earning money. And if it piques my interest, maybe I'll join. But I don't send an email to anyone unless they want an email and they want it to be about online business or working at home or working on the cell phone. Okay. I've been doing this, which I'm going to show you, for about a year and a half now. I'm at the point now where I send 150,000 emails every day. I've got 7 accounts with this company because I have 7 online businesses. So I have 1 account per business. And guys, it's only $1 a day. Okay. It's pretty cheap, but boy, does it build up. And there's even an affiliate section where if you join, they give you $5. And then all of a sudden the 5th person, they give you 100. And oh my God, it adds up. I had no idea I'd be making cash money with this company, let alone putting in a simple 20-word email into a little box and click and send and then do it every 24 hours. I mean, this is so cool. So let's just start with baby steps. Go to orderleadstoday.com. Okay, can you remember that? Just look at my screen up there, orderleadstoday.com, and I'll have a link right below this video. It's going to take you to this page here, and I want you to watch this short little YouTube video. It tells you exactly what I do. It even shows you exactly what I do. Okay, and then if you want to join, just go right here, join MLGS now, my lead gen secret. Okay, so if you like what you see, orderleadstoday.com, and if you like what you see, you go ahead and join. You're going to log in, get your username and password, and this is what you're going to log into. Now, my lead gen secret, they've been around a long time, and that's because they're an effective, very affordable way to do an insane amount of emails. All right, like I said, between all my accounts, I send well over 150,000 emails per day, and all I do is just put a little title in an email and click send. Okay, now, when you log in, go to home, check it out, my leads, master swipes, just check out all these little things. But the main thing is go to the mailing system. And right here it says click here to watch training video. Go ahead and just click that link and learn how to write an email and send it. If you have no idea what works, I have about 150 free emails I've been using, and I'm going to send them to you for free. All you got to do is just switch my name with your name and whatever link to whatever opportunity you have going on. So watch how simple this is. See where it says select all? See how all these leads went from the left box to the right? Well, look, just in this account, I have 117,100 emails that can go out. All right. And then I've wrote an insane amount of emails already. So I hit this where it says load. See the drop arrow? Look at all these emails I've already written. Let's go ahead and just click this one. Here's one I sent today. Here's the subject, follow this plan. And then here's the email. And see, you can make it bold. The letters face forward. You can put links, pictures, and everything else. I personally have more success by having a short, friendly, fun email. And that's it. Just a nice link to my opportunity. So here's an example. Hey there, first off, I want to say congrats on taking the first step to freedom. Thanks for your time and reading this. And then I invite them to click this link right here. And then at the end, let's talk soon. Loves and kisses, Cory. And that's it, guys. All right. And this one email, I click send. And guys, this goes to 117,000 people, 100. Now, this one account is only $1 a day. It's $30 a month. So see where it says 422, 200 leads? Well, tomorrow's 423. So I'm going to have 200 more leads tomorrow, basically at midnight tonight. So this 117,100 will turn to 117,300. Every day, 200 more, 200 more. Guys, it's 6,000 a month for only $1. And there's an affiliate, see this page here? If you go to this page, which is orderleadstoday.com, and if you watch this video and you like what you see, guys, once you join, I get $5. And on top of that, if you're my 5th person to sign up, I get 100. So I get 5, 5, 5, 15. All right. Then I get the 4th one, 20. And then the 5th one's 100. So every 5 people that sign up, I get $120. And this company's providing me 6,000 email leads on top of it. Plus I have 7 accounts. So guys, this is an insanely cool company. All right. Get comfortable doing fun little emails and I'll help you out. Like I said, I'll even send you a whole bunch of subjects too that you need to put in the email. And that's it. So what I did is I just bought orderleadstoday.com from GoDaddy. I forward it to this link right here, this affiliate page. I hope you do the same. Okay, if you don't want to join, then you're on your way. If you want to join, just hit joinmlg.com. And like I said, go fish around. You're not going to break the website. But eventually, after you read all these other statistics and all this other stuff, you're going to go to the mailing system, the tab in the middle. You're going to watch that little video there, how to make a video, how to make an email. You're just going to click mail by date, mail by lead partner. I just mail by date. No one cares about your partner. I go ahead and click this little select all and put all the leads into the right box. Then you can pick, do I want this email from Cory Draper or My Lead Gen Secret? Well, no one cares about My Lead Gen Secret. This is just the name of the software company. So I hit the blue button so that all my emails come from me, Cory Draper. Saved emails, you can use any of your saved emails or just write new ones if you want. Subject, go ahead and you're going to have this in the box every time just explaining what to do with this email, but go ahead and just highlight it and hit delete. And there you go, guys. You write the email here. Change the font, the size, but like I said, my emails are simple. I'm way more effective creating cash flow with a simple email than some fancy thing that takes 5 hours to read with pictures. Okay, that's it, guys. So anyway, My Lead Gen Secret, most people that do this type of business are big fans of emails, and they definitely know this opportunity here. So it all starts with My Lead. Okay, let me show you on the top. Order, there we go. I think it's easier if you see it. Orderleadstoday.com. All right, deal? Okay, go there, watch that video, and if you join, you join. Let me know because I'm going to send you 150 emails that sure seem to work for me. Okay? All right, guys, thanks for your time. You're going to dig this opportunity, man. All right, take care. We'll talk to you next video. Bye.